In this CashCamel review, I'm going to be showing you if you can really make money by filling out surveys on this particular app. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if CashCamel is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want my 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing, make sure you click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So CashCamel is just like any other survey app on the App Store or Play Store. So you could be filling out surveys and you could be making money for every survey that you complete. And don't expect to make like a lot of money with this particular survey app, because it's not like a lot of money. It's just like other survey apps like itself. So the amount of money you could be making with this particular app is like 10 cents to 40 cents, I would say. And in order to get like a $1 survey for every survey that you complete, it's going to be super rare. I really don't think you're going to be getting this at all. Maybe if you are kind of the person that they're really looking into, maybe you would get a survey like in a month or every 3 months. So that's the maximum you could be getting, a $1 or $2 survey in this particular app. But if you're from a country where they're really looking into, maybe if you're from an English speaking country like the US, UK and Canada, then you might probably get a lot more $1 survey than often. But this is usually very rare. The most and the sweet spot is around 10 cents to 20 cents. So that's the sweet spot. And also you will have to take a pre-qualification test. That means that once you get into the app, you might get like 3 to 4 surveys. You are not going to be qualifying for all the survey. So you have to take a pre-qualification test. And if you are pre-qualified, you can take the test and get the money. But if you are not, you won't be getting the survey and you will be probably disqualified. So usually if you have if they give you like 5 surveys, most probably you will get around 2 to 3 surveys. So that's how much you could be getting. And if you're wondering how much surveys you could be getting every single day, it's really going to depend, and it's really depends on where you're from in the world. So if you're from an English speaking country, as I said, you are going to be getting way more surveys, and your pay is also going to be a little higher. But if you're not from an English speaking country, it's not going to be that high, I would say. It's going to be around 10 to 30 cents. And also CashCamel, it's not available in some countries. You really will have to download and see if it's really available in your country. So some countries, they don't really give you, but most of the countries are pretty much there. And also talking about the threshold, you need to get to $10 in order to withdraw it. They don't provide you any other payment options other than PayPal. So rest of the payment methods they don't really provide. I don't know why is that. They only provide PayPal. So for most people, I think PayPal would be a good option. But if you don't have PayPal, you could easily like create an account. It's not a hustle, it's really easy. And also, in order to get to $10, this is where the tricky question comes. For the average person to get to $10, it's maybe going to take you about 1 to 3 months. So that's the very tricky part about CashCamel. You're not going to be getting rich with this particular survey app. The maximum you're going to be making is like $10 per month or $20 per month. I don't think more would be very hard, because this is only a survey focused app and they don't have anything else. So which is why $10 per month itself is pretty high. So in a day you might get to like 10 or 20 cents. Maybe you will complete like 2 surveys and get like 40 cents. So that's how much you could be making with this CashCamel. And some days you won't be getting surveys at all. So this is how it works. So you're not generally going to make a lot of money with it, but yeah, you can make a little bit money. So that's really not that worth it, I would say. And also talking about the reviews, recently they have got some 1-star reviews also. So 1-star is also like little bit high, but if you compare to the 5-star, I would say it's like pretty much good. So there's a lot of people that have reviewed the 5-star, but the 1-star also like people are reviewing it. So generally speaking, most people, let's go to the newest. So generally speaking, most of the people, what they find is that they are finding some glitch issues. So even if they complete the surveys, they are not getting credited. So you need to be like little lucky also. Like if you are pretty much unlucky, you won't be getting credited for your work that you do. So that's kind of like a problem like people are facing, and recently people have reviewed like good and bad reviews so far. So it really depends. Some people are finding a lot of glitch and they are not getting credited, and they like think they are getting scammed, but it's not a scam, guys. They are facing some glitch issues, but a lot of people are finding it great as well. So you can have a look at the reviews as well, guys. So basically that's it for this video of CashCamel. So for a conclusion, I would like to tell you guys that this is not going to replace your 9 to 5 job, or it's not going to give you a significant amount of money or anything like that. The maximum you could be making is like $10 per month, which is not really worth your time to wasting, 10 or 20 minutes every single survey to get little bit of money. I really don't think it's worth your time. So that's what my conclusion is. So that's basically it for this video. So now if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So if you're looking to make that kind of money, I suggest you click the first link in the description, in which you will get my 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing, and also you could be seeing my recommended strategy. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.